Calculating atom economy. Learning points. Define the term atom economy. Give an example of a reaction and the byproduct. Calculate the percentage atom economy for a reaction. What is atom economy? Atom economy is a measure of how many reactant atoms form a desired product and consequently how many end up forming a byproduct. Why is it important? Monitoring atom economy is important for reducing waste. It also helps to ensure that we are reducing costs, pollution and overuse of Earth's natural resources. Example reaction. Reacting methane with steam produces hydrogen. Hydrogen is useful in the petroleum industry as well as for treating metals and producing fertilizer. Carbon monoxide is the byproduct of the reaction. Methane, CH4 plus steam, H2O, reaction, hydrogen, 3H2 plus carbon monoxide. Calculating the percentage atom economy. Atom economy is equal to total relative formula mass of the desired product, total relative formula mass of all of the reactants, multiply 100. When all the reactant atoms end up in the desired product and 100% atom economy is achieved, for example, if the atom economy is 50%, then only half of the reactant atoms produced the desired product or products. Worked example, hydrogen. CH4 plus H2O, reaction 3H2 plus CO. Calculate the atom economy for the reaction. AR of H is equal to 1, AR of C is equal to 12, AR of O is equal to 16. MR of CH4 is equal to 12 plus 4 multiply 1 is equal to 4 is equal to 16. MR of H2O is equal to 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. Total MR of reactants is equal to 16 plus 18 equals 34. AR of H2 is equal to 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. Total MR of product is equal to 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. There are 3 H2 in the balanced equation. Atom economy is equal to 6/34 multiply 100 is equal to 17.6% to 3 SF. Question. Ethanol can be produced by the fermentation of glucose. C6H12O6 reaction to CH3, CH2, O plus to CO2. Calculate the atom economy for the reaction. MR of C6H12O6 is equal to 180, MR of CH3, CH2OH is equal to 46. Answer. 2 multiply 46 is equal to 92, 92/180 multiply 100 is equal to atom economy is equal to 51.1% to 3 SF. Thank you for listening. Subscribe my channel, Smart Time 24.